kung naapanis Pilipinas, gibato na ni. Sabi niya, di tumawag ka ng pulis. Sabi ko, okay, maghintay ka. So, mag-unbox kami. May in-order si Ruth. What will you do with that, Dudu?
Yeah, unbox it. I don't know where the...
Hindi ko mapapakita yung mukha ko kasi haggard ako eh. Nagtrabaho ako ng buong araw today, so sobrang pagod. May in-order kasi siya sa Asian store.
Asian food lovers.
Asian food lovers. Yeah, the name of the shop or the website?
Website. I don't know if they have a shop.
No. Kita nyo yung namin, wala na akong energy. Kita yung countertop namin sa kusina ulit.
Woo! They really did it good with the boxing.
Wow! What's that?
Yeah. Pancit canton. The Filipino Mamma Mia.
Oh, the Mamma Mia. Di lagi Mamma Mia lagi. This is, the original one. It says original but spicy.
No. Don't say spicy.
Kasi hindi po kumakain ng spicy.
Here, some
kumakain
spicy.
ng spicy si Ruth.
Chomain.
Chili mansi. Ooh. Reko. This one. This is the original one. Na yellow siya. That's the original one.
It's with lemon. Yeah, it's all pancit canton. Almost all pancit canton. Especially surprise for you. Things that I won't eat, of course.
Siya lang po ang nag-order nito. Walang sa kanya, nag-utos sa kanya.
Let's see which. I think
I was saying nobody told you to buy that.
Yeah, the yellow ones.
He ordered all the yellow ones.
I just leave them in. That's easier.
Because ito na yung kinakain niya. Hindi niya masyadong bet yung... You don't really like the chili mansi much.
I don't like this one.
What's it? Ooh! It's in can. That's good.
Yeah, they forgot. But they forgot something.
It's a small serving. What?
I ordered 2 cans of kimchi.
Yeah?
Yeah, one big one.
Oh. Do you have the receipt, Papa?
Yeah, it's online. It's a big one. It was the most expensive thing from all the boxes.
You just send them a message, Papa.
Yeah, that's good.
Because anyway, I have this. There's nothing inside. Wala na. Oh, but you have to check your receipt, Papa.
Yeah.
In case it's not there.
But the pancit canton is in there, so high five.
So, ito yung mga niya. Grabe, ang dami. Uy, Muang, this is really, really spicy, huh? I don't normally order that. Oh, I don't normally eat that.
Then Apple can try it.
Yeah, but you can just mix it with the not spicy one. It's really spicy. I was thinking you would get the orange one. That's sweet and spicy. Woo! It's really a lot of fun.
High five. Let's see.
Chili mansi.
No, yeah, yeah.
Because we just unpacked
That is good.
the parcel, but the big kimchi is missing.
There's no reply email address.
Pancit canton. That's a lot of pancit canton. When will you start eating them all?
Not tonight. I might eat it a lot. Maybe more.
Ala, grabe na yun niyo. Yung i-order. How many pieces do you have here?
No
box.
Yeah, I don't know.
24.
24. They say product of Thailand, they say.
It is 24.
Is from Thailand, Lucky Me?
Why does it say Thailand? It's from the Philippines.
It's exported of Thailand.
Exported product of Thailand? Really? Maybe the Papa, maybe the kuan, the factory is that for export or something. But sometimes it happens, like you know, it's made in the Philippines, but then it says it's exported from another country. Just like when I worked in a factory when I was 17, we made Adidas coat, but then it says that it's made in USA, but we made it in the Philippines.
Yeah, okay, because it's okay.
Just like the ones in Vietnam too. Some clothes like that.
Yeah, maybe because these ones are for export.
I'll take a picture of you, Papa. Kaya nga, sabi ko sabi ko, hagad ako. Kasi, kapoy trabaho guys. Alas 8 hours straight. Kapoy. Kuan. Sa tawag na, Bisaya naman noon ko eh. Tingnan nyo yung ano ko. Kahit Papa, I have a lot of acne dodong. Hala, kadaghan ani. Meaning, stressed man iba sa naadri. Or, well, anyway, these days, we don't really get to sleep straight and very well. Anna's been waking up like in the middle of the night, and then we would pick her up and then put her between us so we could all sleep. If it's the weekend, it's okay because, you know, we can just sleep in. Yeah, tomorrow, magtatrabaho na naman ulit ako. Tutulungan ko yung mama ni Ruth. Ruth's sending a message to the shop or to the store where he ordered the pancit canton because they forgot one item. 5 euro pa naman siya. Kimchi, malaking malaking kimchi. How much, Papa? 300 grams?
300 grams,
yeah. So, siya. Kalimutan ba? Anyways, bukas, papatuloy ko tong vlog na ito bukas. So, kita bukas. Kita-kits bukas. Good night, Todong.
Xin chào.
Xin chào. Pala, yung music na naman ng kapitbahay namin. Na-stress ako kanina. Grabe, ang parang nag-disco sa bahay namin. Natutulog pa naman yung anak ko. Nairita na naman ako. Nairita. So, sabi ko sa kanya, puntahan mo doon. Ako kanina, gisapot ko ganina ba. Kung naapanis Pilipinas, gibato na ni. Gibato na ni siling o gisinggita na ba. Diri di mo gud pwede. But, nasok ko. Kasi nagalit ako kanina kasi nga grabe naman, hindi man, grabe. Hindi ko alam kung anong klaseng utak meron ba. Na man. Nakaka-bad trip, no? Ay, nako, hindi naman siguro dapat pabalik-balik. Ilang beses na pumunta doon, ilang beses na itong pumunta doon para sabihin sa kanya na sobrang lakas ng ng music niya. And, ilang beses. May isang time pa na nagkasagutan kami. Ako yung nakasagutan ng namin, ng kapitbahay namin. Kasi sabi ko sa kanya, pwede bang pahinaan mo naman yung music mo kasi hindi kami makatulog, late na yun, mga alas 12 na yata. Sabi ba naman sa akin na parang niya ako ba? Parang tawag yun? Gibalikas ko niya ba? Nga, Bernes daw, sabi niya. Biyernes naman, sabi niya. Sabi ko, Bernes nga, pero malapit na mag alas 12. Sabi niya, di tumawag ka ng pulis. Sabi ko, okay, maghintay ka. Ayun, pinatay naman niya, naman pala, takot naman pala. So, sabi ko sa kanya, susunod, huwag nang magkatok-katok doon. Diretso tawag na sa otoridad, pulisya, ganun. Kasi, hindi ko alam, grabe ito yung, sa lahat ng kapitbahay namin, yung pinakasunod pa talaga sa amin. Yeah, I'm just, nagyaw-yaw kay ko. Do you understand what I'm saying, Buang?
Nee, something about music.
Nagyaw-yaw ra kayo. Gisapot ko, guys. Sorry kayo, guys. Gisapot ko niya ganihan. Ana, nagugoy. Nabuang na ning silingan na ni. Nabuang. Sige na kong pamalikas ganina. Sige na kong pamisti. Kay, makalagot kayo. Sorry. Bisaya na to kasi para intense. So anyways, patuloy ko tong vlog na to. Good night, Tadong.
Good night. Ciao.